Who wouldn't like an aesthetic seat in their car? Hi, we are Group 7 of SCD 304 Product Development in Deakin University. We have undertaken the seat design in the World Solar Car Challenge in 2020, which is a 3,000-kilometer race through Central Australia using solar-powered cars. We will be taking part in the cruiser class. Our goal is to design, develop, manufacture and ultimately obtain a fabricated design for seats. To research about users of the product, we conducted interviews on several people who were considered to be average users and power users. An empathy experiment was also carried out by the team members on different seats to understand how the user feels and interacts with the car seat.
The team carried out an initial technical research on the current and latest manufacturing trends and the materials in a car seat. Through the research, we found out materials such as carbon fiber, reinforced composites, nanocellulose, and cast magnesium alloys were used. Researching the market, we have found out that due to the increase in vehicles produced each year, the seat market has also increased. It is supposed to increase at a compound annual growth rate of 3.7%. In Australia, over the forecast of 2017 to 2025, the compound annual growth is supposed to grow at 4.1%. For comparative benchmarking, we have chosen 3 seats: the P1300 GT seat, Recaro Pole, and Cross Sports the CES. The comparisons were done on dimensions, weight, price, materials, and other features. In the inspiration board, we have broken down the seat design challenge. We have focused more on the materials and the weight of the seat while giving an aesthetic sporty look. The inspiration board gives a broader look on the seat design. Manufacturing methods such as a vacuum and pressure back molding and carbon fiber processing can be used.
To develop our concepts for the seat, 16 concept sketches were drawn by the team members. Each team member produced 4 unique individual sketches. After the sketches, the mock-ups were created. Each team member was required to develop a 3D CAD model out of their concept sketches. During the concept selection, 3D CAD models were placed in a selection matrix and were evaluated out of a score of 5 in different factors such as strength, durability, cost of production, weight, and aesthetics. After giving a lot of thought on each design, Concept C was chosen for further refinement. In the initial stage, the chosen CAD model was 3D printed. After team discussions, the first prototype was further refined. The final prototype included features taken from other previously developed CAD models such as bucket seat shape, fixed bottom rails, and the type of cushion that is to be used in a seat.
Then came the shed work. It is where, after hours of hard work, the design started coming to life. We used 3D printing to manufacture scale models of the seats. It took days to manufacture, and ongoing testing resulted in numerous failures. We designed and redesigned and redesigned, and after several customizations including the production of 3 prototypes, the final product of our satisfaction came in life. Our new seat is aesthetically appealing, contains 7 parts assembled together in the final product. Since it is made from carbon fiber, it is extremely lightweight, though has a high cost factor. This seat is made solely for the Solar Car Challenge so that it benefits the team. It doesn't restrict the movement or distract the driver. For future, we would like to get more design solutions, explore faster manufacturing processes, and optimize our design and lower manufacturing costs. Thank you for watching.